What's going on, guys? So I kind of messed up the unboxing of this, but we're gonna do a unboxing and review of the KROCX. So this is a portable outdoor speaker made out of aluminum, secure magnet hold, long-lasting battery. It is definitely very similar to another product on the market called the Ranger. It looks almost identical. Also, there's some DIY builds like the detonator that this looks like. So let's see how it. I tell you what, this is a heavy box, and this well-built box. This one took quite a hard impact in shipping. Okay, so we get, what is the wattage on this? 20-watt charger. Nice cable. I do like the white. Get our box, pamphlet, carabiner, not for climbing, important safety instructions. So it comes in multiple colors. The only ones I've seen was this one and the all metal look. This one was like $300 for some reason. This was $150, $160. Oh, it was $169 with $20 coupon. So this has KROCX wireless pairing and TWS. Gives you all your functionalities of it. USB-C charging, indicator, talks about the magnet. I mean, I'll be honest. It's almost like it was built by the same company, just for a different company. So, as y'all know, the other company I'm talking about, they have a company in China manufacture their speakers, and this looks like it came from the exact same place. I mean, y'all can't tell me it's not almost identical. Very, very close. Okay. So it is a metal frame, has a light, power on. Okay. How do I turn the light on? Ah, there we go. Waterfall effects, nice. Okay. It's got a bunch of different sleep effects. That's pretty neat. All right, so let's go ahead. It's got bass boost, TWS or arrow pairing, USB-C charger. See how the magnets are. Is that soldered to magnets? Oh, they're on the front? I guess that's the back, technically. So we have a tweeter, mid-range, large passive radiator. Holds on there just fine. So let's see if I can connect it to an Android. Bluetooth. I guess I gotta put it in pairing mode maybe. Probably would help if I just read the instructions. Bluetooth pairing. Long press the power button on the speaker. Pairing mode will activate automatically, flashing a blue light. So that was off. There we go. Okay, now it's in pairing mode. There's the KROCX. Pair. Find something to play. Of course, an ad in the video. Let's go ahead and send this out the way. Obviously, you're not going to know how it sounds in person, but I will give you my feedback. All right, that's all the way up. I don't know if this is...
Foreign part crooked in the loading zone. Keys in it, engine humming like a dog tone. Map, why you post fake flat? Gold face, watch cost a condo. Like all our tight words. VPN hopping like a private jet. Every click another digit that you.
So you can definitely tell bass boost is on.
Talking big, but your pockets say buffering. My receipts red long like a government summoning. Screens glow green.
So it's not bad. I mean, it's not super loud, but it's basically what you're going to get with the competitor, from what I can tell. And it sounds good. Let's try something that everyone's going to listen to, maybe. We're all going to listen to ads. That's what this is. Did come with... what's the battery status? Doesn't show the battery status right now. I guess I could find out how to do that.
You say I'll never change, just to go around town with some gasoline, just trying to bomb a flame. Gonna burn hope.
It doesn't sound bad. It's not super loud, but I mean, we're talking, people are going to be playing golf or something. This is perfect for them. And actually, I just realized I have my mic on, so y'all probably couldn't hear it as good as it actually sounds. So let me play. Here, I'll play some dubstep or something. Normally I don't have my mic on when I do audio tests, just because these mics do cancel out a lot of the sound that you hear. Well, with that being said, guys, I'll leave a link in the description below for y'all to pick one of these up if you want. Definitely not a bad product for the price. It definitely seems like it's going to be very durable. Comes with all the features, and it's $100 cheaper, so why not?